happiness all around. It's peaches and cream if a dream comes true. It's a big, bright, beautiful world with possibilities everywhere. If true love is blind, maybe you won't mind the view. I know I'm not the handsome prince for whom you've waited. I don't have a fancy castle, and I'm not sophisticated. A princess and an ogre, I admit, it's complicated. You've never read a book like this, but fairy tales should really be updated. It's a big, bright, beautiful world. I see it now, I will let it in. I'll tear down the walls and clear a spot for